Kipo, the first little pig, and the big bad wolf. 1, 2, 3. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. The first little pig, the second little pig, and the third little pig. The first little pig built its house. A house of straw. He built a house of straw. "I am building my house of straw," said the first little pig. Then a big bad wolf arrives. The wolf says, little pig, let me come in." But Kipo, the little pig, replies, "No, no, no. Not by the hair on my chinny chin. Then the wolf says, "I will huff, I will puff, and I will blow your house down." And the wolf huffs. He huffs hard. The first little pig's straw house blows away. The little pig runs away as fast as he can to the wooden house of the second little pig.